Hey folks, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here, and today we're previewing our newest listing, 20232 Larino Loop. This is here in Bella Terra, Estero, Florida, part of the townhome series of homes that you can find here in Bella Terra. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home here. The townhome here is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a nice sized loft upstairs. Downstairs you're going to have all of your living space, so you've got a nice living room area here overlooking the views on your lanai, and then right off there you have your eating kitchen and kitchen areas. Nicely upgraded unit with backsplash, granite countertops. You've got stainless fridge, dishwasher, as well as cooktop. Outside, you've got the stone flooring that was added here. A very nice tropical corner spot and view here. All right, so last but not least, downstairs you have your garage entry. Right here, it is a 2-car garage, and then you've got your laundry space here with some additional storage, as well as under stair storage right here as well. And last but not least, on the downstairs, we have a half bath here. So you've got your commode and sink. Now as we go upstairs, something to notice here, these owners added the wood as opposed to carpet on the stairwell, which is a really nice addition, and also extended the wood here in the loft area. So we come up the stairs, and right here we're at the loft. Nice size space here. We've got our 2 guest bedrooms, guest bath. Let's take a look at these real quick. The guest bedrooms do have carpet. And you've got your bifold style closet doors here. And then here we are with the second guest bedroom. Again with the bifold closets. And then we have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, the tub and shower, and the upgraded glass enclosed shower doors there. Now let's head across the loft area here, which is an awesome space. You can use this as additional great room space, add a TV, make it a fun entertainment room, utilize it as an office, whatever you like there. And here we are at the master. Really nice size master. You get the nice tray ceilings up top, and you have a huge, absolutely huge closet right here. So plenty of space for his and hers. And we have our master bath here with the tub in the corner here. You've got your glass enclosed shower, really nice size shower there. You've got your dual sinks, as well as your private enclosed water closet. All right, folks, so this is 20232 Larino Loop. If you're interested in a townhome here in Bella Terra, this is certainly one to take a look at. One last look at your great room space from the top of the stairs. As always, for Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.